First, open your browser and type in BlueStacks. It is an Android emulator. We use this to run Delta Executor. Next, download and install Delta Executor in your PC. Once downloaded, open BlueStacks and wait for it to download additional files. Once completed, you can now open it and directly download Delta Executor on Chrome. Now, open Chrome and type in deltaexploits.gg. Click on Download button and it will redirect you to the download page. Click on Download and wait for it to finish. Once done, open and install Delta. Delta has the same name and logo of the Roblox app, so don't be confused. Now, open the app and sign in to your account. For the two-step verification, use email and get the code to log in because passkey won't work on an Executor. Now, open Grow a Garden. There should be a pop-up window after opening the game. On the right side of the screen, you can see that you need a key in order for it to work. Click on Receive and it will directly open Chrome. Once you click on Continue, it will open a new tab. That is an ads and close it immediately. Now, complete the task by clicking on each one of it. After you click a task, it will open a new tab and close it immediately and proceed to the second task. After that, wait for the timer to end. Once the timer ends, it will redirect you to the Create Your Key page. Click on Continue to get your key. Click on Copy and go back to Roblox. Paste the key on the box and your Delta should be activated now. I will create a separate video on how to use and get Key Speed Hub X script on Grow a Garden. That's all and thank you for watching.